excited. Hey guys, I'm so excited. I'm going to be moving into my new room really soon. As you can see, it's almost finished, but we're missing the trim. Okay, and I have a really big question or announcement at the exact same time. I'm wondering if you guys would like to help me fill my room. And you're probably wondering like what? So yeah, I'll have to explain. I have an Amazon wish list that I'm going to share with y'all. And if you want, you can buy stuff from it and have it sent to me, obviously. If you're buying stuff from me, then you want it sent to me. Okay, you're probably like wondering like what the heck, Sarah, you only have 200 subscribers. Yes, I know people usually do this when they have like 1,000 or a million, and I have neither. While I'm doing this, I'm hoping to gain subscribers. Like if you guys actually buy stuff from me, then I'll be doing unboxing videos. And by doing more videos, I will be probably gaining subscribers. And if I do not do any unboxing videos, then that means nobody's sent me anything, which is totally fine. I'm not really expecting anything since I only have 200 subscribers, but I will be very thankful if one person does it. Okay, yeah, I was talking about unboxing videos. Yes, I will be filming unboxing videos if I get anything. I'm so excited. Okay, if you want to do this, yes, it's totally up to you, and make sure you get your parents' permission. And if you're doing it, make sure you write a note with it and select my address, obviously, if you're sending it to me. You don't want to send it to yourself. Okay, yeah, I'm so excited. Make sure thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends. That's another way I'll gain subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. One thing, I forgot to mention where the link is. Okay, the link will be in the About Me page on my YouTube channel, in the description of this video, and in the pinned comments. If YouTube does not disable them. I hope not. Oh, and also I will have a link for stuff for my kitty, which will also go in this room, and for you guys to upgrade my YouTube supplies if you guys want that. Like, obviously you want high quality videos. Oh, and sorry for the audio if it's a bit echoey in here. So yeah, that's it now. Bye.